Bao Tao Machinery, Equipment Co. Limited. Craftsmanship, creating the future. The company was established in 2005 years, nearly 20 years ups and downs. We are rooted fertile soil of China's manufacturing industry, has developed into ceramic, stone, rock slab. A well-known manufacturer in the field of deep processing machinery. We have a team of experienced professional and technical personnel, and a core team of senior engineers. Decades of industry accumulation. It has laid a solid foundation for Bao Tao machinery technology. After 20 years of dedicated research and development, Bao Tao machinery has successfully created the most efficient and stable processing equipment for the Chinese market. From intelligent water jet, numerical control cutting machine to fully polishing production line, we invest in innovative tools. To empower the deep processing of building materials, the company not only masters the core process, create a full range of industry benchmark products. 5-axis intelligent water jet, multi-set knife cutting machine, 4+1 bridge cutter, arc polishing machine, stone edging chamfer machine, etc. Meet the diverse needs of customers with outstanding performance. At Bao Tao, quality is not standard, but a belief. From R&D, production to assembly, each professional department under Bao Tao all strive for product excellence. We have established a complete and scientific quality management system, from raw material to finished products. Each process is standardized and strictly controlled. Make sure that every piece of equipment delivered to customers is solid and reliable. At present, the products have been sold all over the country and exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and other regions. Becomes a trusted partner of many industry giants. Looking to the future, Bao Tao machinery will continue to uphold the spirit of craftsmanship, deeply cultivating in the field of high-end binding materials and intelligent manufacturing equipment.